In this video, we will go over how to register a new user for SearchPoint. From the main login page, ensure you have selected the correct country. Registering in the wrong market may affect future login attempts. Navigate to and click the Register button. On the registration page, enter the following information: your email address, desired password, information about yourself, species of interest, job information. If you have a Zoetis billing account and a 10-digit account number, enter it in the Zoetis account number field and click Search. If your account is found, it will display on the screen. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and submit your registration. If you do not have a Zoetis billing account number, select No when prompted with the question, "Do you have a Zoetis account?" This will expand the form to allow you to enter your address information. Fill in all required fields and click Submit. You will be redirected to a screen where you will have to enter a verification code. Check your user email for the code and enter it. Click on Verify, and you will now be automatically logged into SearchPoint. And those are the steps to register a new user.